Avoid chia seeds. If you suffer from these five health issues, chia seeds are often hailed as a superfood due to their high nutritional value. They are packed with fiber, omega 3 fatty acids, proteins, and antioxidants, making them beneficial for heart health, digestion, and other weight management. However, while chia seeds offer numerous health benefits, they may not be suitable for everyone. If you have certain health conditions, consuming chia seeds could lead to implications rather than benefits. In this video today, we will discuss the five health conditions where it is advisable to limit or completely avoid chia seeds to prevent the unwanted side effects. Let's talk about the five health conditions. The number one, digestive disorders and irritable bowel syndrome IBS. Chia seeds are extremely high in dietary fiber, which are beneficial for digestion. However, if you suffer from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or chronic digestive disorders, excessive fiber intake can worsen the symptoms. Number one, why to avoid it? The high fiber content in chia seeds can lead to bloating, gas, stomach cramps, or even diarrhea or constipation, depending on your digestive sensitivity. Solution: if you still wish to consume chia seeds, start with a small amount and ensure they are well soaked to prevent gastrointestinal distress. Alternatively, opt for a low fiber foods like white rice and bananas to ease the digestion. Number two condition, that's low blood pressure, hypotension. Chia seeds are rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which have natural blood pressure lowering properties. While this is great for people with high blood pressure, it can be dangerous for those who already have low blood pressure, hypotension. So, why to avoid? Consuming chia seeds may cause further drops in the blood pressure, leading to dizziness, weakness, blood vision, and even fainting. Solution: if you have a low blood pressure, consult your doctor before including chia seeds into your diet. Instead, consider moderate potassium rich foods like avocados or sweet potatoes to support heart health without drastically lowering your blood pressure. Number three, blood thinning disorders or medications. Omega 3 fatty acids in chia seeds act as a natural blood thinners, which can help reduce the risk of clot formation and improve the circulation. However, this can be harmful if you have a bleeding disorder or take anticoagulant medications such as warfarin or aspirin. Why avoid? Excessive blood thinning can increase the risk of bruising, prolonged bleeding, and complications in case of injuries or surgeries. Solution: if you are on blood thinning medications, limit your chia seed intake and consult your doctor before making any dietary changes. Instead, include food rich in vitamin K, such as leafy greens, to help maintain the blood balanced clotting function. Number four, allergic reactions to seeds and nuts. Although it is very uncommon, chia seeds allergies do exist as well, particularly among those individuals who are allergic to other seeds, nuts, or grains. Symptoms can range from mild skin irritation to severe aliphatic reactions. Why avoid? Some people may experience symptoms like itching, swelling, rashes, breathing difficulties, or gastrointestinal distress after consuming chia seeds. Now, what to do? Solution is, if you have known allergy to the sesame, to the mustard seeds or nuts, consult an allergist before trying any chia seed. As an alternative, flax seeds or sunflower seeds may be a safer options if you are not allergic to them. The number five is difficult swallowing or esophageal issues. Now, one of the unique properties of chia seeds is their ability to absorb liquid and expand, forming a gel-like consistency. While this can be beneficial for high duration and digestion, it can pose a choking hazard if consumed dry. Why to avoid? Dry chia seeds can expand in the throat, potentially blocking the esophagus and making the swallowing difficult. This is especially dangerous for individuals with conditions like esophageal structures or swallowing disorders. Solution: avoid. Always soak chia seeds in water. So make sure you do that. Juice or other liquid before consuming them to prevent the choking risk. If you have swallowing difficulties, consider alternative nutrient dense foods that do not require extensive preparation. Now, the final thoughts. Should you stop eating chia seeds? Chia seeds are undeniably nutritious, but they are not suitable for everyone. If you suffer from digestive disorders, low blood pressure, blood clotting issues, and seed allergies, or swallowing difficulties, it's best to consult your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. So, if you consume and if you're unsure whether the chia seeds are right for you, start with small amounts and observe how your body reacts. Always consume them in moderation in the right form to avoid the potential health risk associated with it. So, thanks for watching the video. And if you like this video about chia seeds, you will love to watch videos about other health related content in my channel. And do subscribe to this video and do like to my channel as well for the latest and the upcoming videos on health and fitness. So thanks for watching the video. Meet you in the next time.